Hey.
It's not even medium.
There's so many things I didn't even turn on.
I was about to.
And you weren't even gonna tell me, Bethany.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie. I'm here with a very special guest today, which is...
My name is Bethany. Do I say my last name?
You don't have to.
My name is Bethany. I'm Angie's cousin. Add me on Snapchat, Bethany Girl. Ew.
Is that it?
Yeah.
No underscore?
Nope.
No exclamation point?
Nope.
No dollar sign?
Nope.
Mad basic. Today we're gonna be doing a makeup haul. We literally went shopping for like 5 seconds and picked up just like a few things, not even a lot, but it's just a couple things I needed to re-up on, a couple things I wanted to try out, and like sanitary type of stuff that I needed. So we're gonna show you what we got or whatever. We love a social share. Okay, to start, I got a lot of hygiene stuff for like doing makeup. Okay. Anyways, I got a lot of hygiene stuff for my makeup kit, like cotton balls, isopropyl alcohol,
And cosmetic wedges. And cotton rounds.
You could have said sponges.
Wedges.
Yeah, but like that's the boringest stuff that we have. We're gonna move on to the next couple things. I think we're gonna dive into skincare next, actually. I also forgot to add, I got these little traveling kits because I needed another spray bottle, but they don't sell these small spray bottles at Dollar Tree, so I had to get it in a little pack with these other bottles. That was boring, but like, it's true. Moving on to skincare product.
She got like 2 makeup wipes, you know, like to take off your makeup.
Speaking of which, you probably heard her before say this. We got the hygiene stuff from the dollar store because the dollar store has here's how I feel about the dollar store. If the world were to end, if there was a zombie apocalypse, if there was influenza, if there was an issue and I needed supplies, I'd go to Dollar Tree. Number 1, it's very close to my house. Number 2, they just have like on-hand stuff. Like it's like a smaller version of Walmart. I swear on my life. Okay. I really wanted to try the micellar.
Yeah, micellar.
Micellar?
Yes.
I really wanted to try the micellar cleansing water. I've just heard that this is really good and I want to try it. I've also heard that this gives you cancer.
What?
So I mean,
BuzzFeed or something.
Something on the internet, and I was like,
Was it Wikipedia?
They also said that about the Mario Badescu facial spray. That's why I didn't get it.
Oh, the rose petal one?
All of them. And I was like, oh my god, like I had to get this small version of the Pond's dry skin cream because they didn't have any more of the bigger version. Oh my god. They didn't have any of the bigger version, and I love this stuff, so I mean, I'm just gonna have to suffer and use this one. This is gonna run out in like a week because I use this every single day. And like when my skin is like going through it or like it's a change of seasons, I use this on my entire body. Don't look at me crazy. My nephew's looking at me like, girl, isn't that for your face? I'm like, whatever. Next, we have the St. Ives facial scrub. I have nothing else to say, but it just works. And
I never used it personally.
It scrubs your face. It smells like apricots. That's it. Like, at the end of the day, it does its job, and it's not expensive. Oh, this is my favorite thing that I got. Gum. I feel like we both need gum after this day.
Why did you say this?
What?
I told you, no bueno when you put it in there. I'm
Gum?
like, are we gonna eat some?
Look, my breath, I'm not gonna say my breath is knocking right now, but like, you know how you get that dry feeling in your mouth? And like when I'm doing clients, you never know. Like one day you might have bad breath, one day your client might have bad breath.
You don't give gum to clients like
No,
that. Like,
I'll put one in my, that's like if you like, what you call that? Sanitize your hands, be all like, oh, do you want some hand sanitizer? And then I put some gum in my mouth and I'll be all like, you want some gum? Everybody says Yes. You want some gum?
No.
Right. Zach's like, I want some gum. Give me some gum. Next, I got 2 different newer foundations. This one is a little more on the older side, but I didn't get it when it first came out. We're gonna open it now. I hope this is my color though. What?
Because I was turning, I'm like, okay, why isn't it opening? Yaks, dude.
This is the second to darkest shade, and I mean, I guess it's okay,
Yeah, she was gonna get the darker one.
but still, it's like pretty light.
Oh, it didn't look light on the bottle. That's why.
Okay, so this is false advertising. I recommend if you're not Caucasian to go a shade down. Oh my god. And then we have this one. You want to swatch it? Wait, we have to show it. The Maybelline, the new Maybelline foundation. Like, what is it called?
It is called the Upju Escuda.
Super Stay Foundation.
It says
Don't try
up
and be
to
special. Like,
just
what's wrong
what?
with you?
It says up to Jusqua.
That's probably up to in a different language.
Oh, okay. I almost fell.
She pulled the cup of the hand to show the front. You're mad funny, bro. You're mad funny.
I don't think it's gonna work out since it's like brown.
It doesn't
on brown.
matter. It doesn't matter.
This is her foundation. It's too light for my skin.
Oh, it came out. That should work. I hope. And if it doesn't work, great. I want to test these foundations before I try them on other people because I don't want to whip out a new foundation and be all like, this didn't work out the way I thought it would. Oh, well, this is a great time to use my makeup wipes because, you wiped it all over me.
Oh, no.
That name song did she say goodbye. Next, I got 3. Okay, this is a lot. I anticipated too much. We have 3 Wet n Wild, I was gonna say concealers. Like, you don't conceal with this. Wet n Wild highlighters. I got them in Crown of My Canopy. You'll see this in the Instagram video. I gotta focus it. Blossom Glow, which is like super duper pale pink, even though it doesn't look pale. And then Golden Flower Crown, or whatever. So yeah, I wanted to get ones that were like, that looked like they can match different tones, because you can't really use the same tone of highlighter on everybody, because like, we ain't gonna use that on her. This is what we not gonna do. Like, it's not gonna work. Like, at the end of the day, it's gonna make her look ashy. You really can't use this on me either, because I'm gonna look ashy. This one though, that's cute or whatever. It probably looks the same freaking color now that I think about it.
But sparkly.
No, like in the light.
Ah.
Next. Anyways, I had to get another LA Girl Pro Concealer because mine was displaced from my home, so I just needed to get one more of this shade. So I did. Next,
she has gotten Voluminous Lash Paradise in Blackest Black, or 204.
I didn't even know it had a color, bro. It's black. Like,
Ew, the way I was like,
what are you doing? Cupping it.
Next, she got concealer from Maybelline New York in medium, or number 40.
I just want to say, they literally wasted all this packaging. There's nothing in this besides this, and this is how big the packaging was. Wasting trees, wasting plastic. Next, what I got is the Very controversial. Jacqueline.
Controversial.
English?
Yes.
Really?
The Jacqueline Hill palette. Literally, I've heard so many mixed reviews. All my friends are like, don't get it. She doesn't even know the colors in her own palette. Don't get it. Like, Jacqueline Hill is so fake. Don't get it because like, that's okay. Because at the end of the day, these colors is popping. I don't care what nobody says. I really don't watch Jacqueline's videos ever, so yeah. But like, I can't with these colors. Like, I've been seeing them so much, and I'm just like, I need
Imagine
them.
if like one of them just popped out.
I would go straight back to Ulta, and I would be like, and I want my money back. Because this was like $38. No, it would be their fault. I'm gonna swatch a few. This is supposed to be a new formula, I guess, but. Oh my god! Okay. I wasn't expecting that. That was a dark color, though.
Patrick?
Mom?
I got it!
Oh, you're.
Oh my god.
Check. Look at that color. Beep. Next, I'm gonna try. I don't even know.
You should have tried pink since you were looking straight at it.
Oh my gosh! These colors are nice. Why a brush? Why would
Because
you
have to
swatch?
see the application, you know, on a brush. Because it's always different, right? Boom. It's not as pigmented as it was now, is it?
You have nothing on that brush. No primer
Okay.
on your hands. No concealer down.
But that's not what people do with swatches with brushes, you butthead.
Nobody swatches with brushes. That's the thing. Okay. This brown color looks interesting to me. Okay. That's very nice. The only problem is, okay, actually, before I say the problems, one thing that I like is that all the colors are on the back with the names of the colors and the actual shades of the colors, okay? With the new branding that Morphe came out with, they give you a sheet, like the little plastic sheet that comes in the thing with the names on it. Nobody's gonna keep those. Like, I threw mine away every time. And the little plastic sheet that came in this one, I'm gonna throw it away again. So it's cute that they got this on the back. The only why are you laughing?
It's because I just picked my nose.
Yeah. And then the one thing I do not like about the palette is that it's white. So, like, as you can see, I already dirtied it.
See? That's what I say. You're like, it's okay or whatever. Like, don't even start. It's white. I dirty white things.
It's pretty, but it's dirty already.
It's because they're black.
What are you trying to say, bruh? Bruh? Just trying to say, bruh? Well, that was the end of the haul.
Bye!
You can't do that! You have to do an outro.
Okay. Excuse me, guys. Follow me, comment, like, subscribe.
Follow you on what? That's the thing. You drop it.
I dropped what? You drop it? You drop it? I drop what?
This.
You drop it.
You know what you
Pop
dropped.
it.
That
Twist
comes
it. Sing it.
Bop it.
Wait, do you have it with
Twist
you right
it.
now?
What? The bop it?
No!
Oh, I never owned that. I was about to say, girl. Oh my god, and I forgot to tell everybody that I did her makeup today. I was gonna kiss you. You see the highlights? Or whatever. Or whatever.
You're gonna
My
make me
big
fall.
Kankosaurus hands on your face.
I have bigger hands than you. No, or
You're
we have
lying.
like the same size.
You're lying. My hands are bigger than yours.
By like a centimeter. Calm down.
It don't matter. My hands are bigger than
My
yours.
hands are humongous.
You know, if your
Mine is
hand,
really bad.
if your hand is as big as your face, you have cancer.
Well,
What the heck? Oh my god!
did you see what she did? All I see is as big as your face, you'll get cancer, right? I'm like, well, I was gonna say, well, I got cancer then, and then she went, psh.
You didn't know that people do that?
I forgot about that. That was a long trend a long time ago.
That was mad funny. I love you. I'm so sorry. I can't believe you fell for that.
I completely forgot about that.
Yo. So that was the entire haul. Thank you for being in my video, darling. No, you're welcome. Alright, like you're mad stush, but okay. Let me know if you want to see more of her in my video. It's probably a no.
I'm kidding.
We're kidding. I want to see more of you in my video.
And she's like, and I'm done.
Never.
She's taller than me.
I am 5'7".
I'm not 5'7"
She's 5'6".
and a half. Plus hair.
Black dude. Then plus hair, I usually have my afro. Then I'm 5'9", bro. Not even 5'10".
With mine, I'm 5'7", bro. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it and had a little laugh in the middle of it. Okay. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment that down below and let me know. Down below. Down below. If you want to see more of Bethany in my videos, let me know so I can steal her from her home and bring her on over. And I mean, follow me on Instagram at APLou28. Add me on Snapchat at APLou128. Even though I went on a little bit of a purge and I added some people from my Snapchat. If you were in that purge, lo siento, pero use.
Add me on Snapchat at Bethany Girl. No caps, no underscores, no
Nothing
spaces.
interesting. It's just Bethany Girl. No numbers.
The link in the description.
I'm gonna link it in the description.
Yeah, you can do that.
You can link a Snapchat.
No, you can write my name on the Snapchat.
She out here lying to people. And yes, hopefully I will see all of you in the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Oh, we said bye. We say bye.